Hey guys, this is Jeff here. Listen, I'm going to use that monotile pen again. This is going to be about restoration of some of the bumpers. All the cars here are they're in condition at least 8 or above, but a lot of the bumpers, like and it might be hard to see there, but that candy Jaguar right here, the red one, just completely black around the edges. A lot of them are like that. A lot of them just need a little bit of touching up. I know some of the vets the same way. So the cars are in great shape except for the bumpers. So we're going to be using the volatile pen to touch those up. That should be fun. Here's a few things I wanted to show you guys that I've got added to my collection just recently. I love the mongooses. They handle very, very, very well around the track. There's no like slipping and sliding. They handle real good around the track. I love them. I got it for a good price. I think I may have been the only bidder on this one. Here's a shark. Here's a Mako shark. I'll be quite frank, guys. I thought I could clean this up, get the decals off, and make it look good. I can, but I was not paying attention well enough to know that the back wheel wells were carved. They were carved. So I thought this was going to be an easy fix. Got it for a nominal price, and I just thought really that, you know, a few decals, remove them, we'd have a good Mako shark. No such luck. The back wheel wells are carved. And years ago, I had a Herbie. Years and years and years ago. I think it was one of my first videos I put on YouTube was about Herbie. I really liked it. I kind of regret getting rid of it. I always liked playing with it. So I picked another one up, and when I got this one, it had more of a like a Tough Ones. It was dressed out like a Tough Ones chassis. So I put it back to like the original chassis. I just love it. It's a ball going around the track. And the latest one here I got, the purple candy color Jaguar. I love it. When I saw it for auction, I thought to myself, well, this is going to be coming home. I really did. I liked it. I really, really like the candy colors. And this one is plated. This one is absolutely plated. When I first got it, it had the Tough Ones back tires on there, a little jacked up a little bit, and nothing's cut on it. Everything is good. No cracked screw post. There's just nothing matter with it. Now, I did spend a little bit of money getting it. And the funny thing was, is you know how eBay, they alert you to your phones if you're watching something like 15 minutes before it goes off. Well, I was in traffic. We were coming home from dinner, and my phone's going off. And I said, okay, well, I need to place a bid now because we're running short on time. When I decided to do that, I could not get a signal in the car. I couldn't get a signal. I was freaking out. So we're at the traffic light. I finally get a signal. Everything's good, and I just put a crazy bid on it. I just put a crazy top on it. You know, because I went home and I felt like if I can't get internet connection in my car, I better make the one chance I get worth it. So long story short, it was worth it, but I'm sure I pissed a number of people off. A lot of people bid on this thing. I'm glad I got it. So those are the new ones I'm adding to the collection. Probably not the Mako. I don't know. I'll probably get the decals off. I was so disappointed when I got that thing out of the package. I saw the back wheel wells and I just hung my head low. You know, it's just like I didn't even look at it in the auction. I just went ahead and bid on it. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into some of these and see if we can get these bumpers brightened up a little bit. Doing great. Got a number of them. Got a number of them done. I'm just literally touching the volatile pen just right around, you know, the edges of it, and it's cleaning them up so good. I mean, they're looking really, really good. Got a few more to do. Let me get after it. All right, good. Just getting ready to do the Mustang here, and it's just like almost like a black stripe all around that front bumper. And what I've been doing is I've just been starting at the either end and just staying on the top of it, and it's been getting it done real good. Now it looks more uniform all the way across. This stuff is really good. This Molotov stuff, guys, it's really, really, really good. I can't say enough good about it. Just that easy. Let me see if there's another one I can get real. Here we go. Again, the purple Jag, love it. But look at the just like the black line I know it's from like handling it, we picked it up and stuff like that, and maybe hitting the guardrails and whatnot, but there's just like a black line around the bumper there, all the way around, that if we just go ahead and touch it up, boy, it'll look a whole lot better. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start on this end, just work my way down. That's it, just like that. Very, very little bit on the front there. Good. And then same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. Just gonna start up here, work my way down, and boy, that's like fresh looking chrome on there rather than the black. You know, I mean, just absolutely fresh. Let me get a little bit more on top here. Wow, wow, very good. Let's just look at the back bumper. Yep, same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and start up here. Work our way down. That's it. Boy, this has been an easy, fun project doing all these. And you know, I just look at a number of the ones that have the bumpers that stick out. Yeah, these are easy, but there's also some ones like the, I was looking at the T-Bird, the convertible T-Bird. That bumper there, I might have to take it off in order to do it. I don't know if I can tape around and get it with this Molotov pen as good as I'd like. So I might have to take the bumper off to do that. And again, I want to start spraying these. I want to get some Molotov paint and start spraying these. The pens have been working out absolutely wonderful, but I think if we go ahead and take it a step further and start spraying them, we can have some really neat projects going on. All right, just finished the last one. Boy, they came out great. I am pleased as punch with this Molotov pen. I can't say enough good things about this thing. Just little touch-ups here, little touch-ups there. The, what is that, the dark green vet there. I even did the rims. I redid the rims. I'm letting it dry here for just more a bit, and then I'll go and put those tires back on. But everything came out good. All the just little tiny touch-ups, absolutely wonderful. I know I'm a little bit nitpicky with that stuff, but boy, I like to have them just as restored as possible. You know, as restored as possible. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again. The Molotov pen, I can't say enough good about it. They're just absolutely wonderful. It restores that chrome. They look good. All right, guys, let me know if you need anything. See ya.